distress, helplessness, hopelessness, and shyness, and they did ask questions. Group C contains students 12 to 14 years of age, middle school students, grades 6 through 8. Both males and females scored above chance, but females scored non-significantly higher than males in this age group. Group D contains students 15 to 19 years of age, high school students, grades 9 through 12, as well as college students. Their scores were flat and not impressive. But again, females scored non-significantly higher than males. The study states that both Group C and D were curious about what the study was for. Now this is interesting because this implies that students did not know that they were being tested for psychic ability. And if researchers really did obtain parental consent, then maybe they also instructed parents to not tell the students the intentions of the study. Groups B and D attempted to find sequential patterns in the game, but quickly learned that there were none, and some became frustrated. The study does state that some students spoke English as a second or third language and required further instructions. I am contacting the head researcher of this study, alongside many others from earlier, more disturbing studies, as well as the main key figures involved in the psychic school experiments. More on that at the end of this video. Children often report strange experiences. Imaginary companions, out-of-body experiences, hearing voices, having visions or other extrasensory experiences. Some of these experiences can be due to medical conditions, but others seem to have no explanation at all. While most children outgrow these common experiences, such as having an imaginary friend, the curiosity of peering deeper into the phenomena has fascinated psi researchers for decades. A researcher named Donna Thomas led a school-based experiment that was published in the volume 86 issue of the Journal of Parapsychology, a peer-reviewed academic journal. The study was published in 2022, detailing a two-part study that took place from 2018 to 2020. The study is titled Playing in the Field, Exploring the Nature and Emergence of Extrasensory Experiences with Children. The research program is called Our Unusual Experiences Program, which began in 2018 and is still ongoing to this day. The program has four main objectives. Firstly, to identify any extrasensory experiences of children outside of clinical contexts. Secondly, to explore children's meanings and insight in relation to their extrasensory experiences. Thirdly, to identify any wider factors which may catalyze or influence extrasensory experiences in children. And finally, to experiment with different participatory research methods and testing their effectiveness involving children in extrasensory/paranormal/consciousness research. The program and its studies were granted full ethical approval through the BAHSS ethical community at the University of Central Lancashire. Parental or guardian consent was required for all children under the age of 18. Study A involved 16 participants, ages 4 through 17. Study B was conducted with children ages 4 to 11 at a primary school in the UK. All students were individually interviewed. Information sheets were distributed to children across 3 classes at the school, with an invitation to take part in the research sessions. A total of 40 children participated in 3 focus groups. A research script was used to facilitate the sessions, which lasted 1 hour and 30 minutes each session. Children were allowed to express their extrasensory experiences through art, such as drawings, squiggles, spirals, and geometric patterns. Here's what children reported from both studies. Ages 3 to 7 reported visions, premonitions, vortexes, sounds, telepathy, dreaming of dead people, and NDEs, or near-death experiences. Ages 8 through 12 reported visions, out-of-body experiences, telepathy, the ability to heal, seeing auras and orbs,